M&J Habitat here, getting ready to do hive inspection week, day 12. I just want to do a little comment on my last video. After going over it and doing the editing for YouTube, I made several mistakes. Duly noted. So we're going to try to do a little better job today. So stand by.
Oh, we're going into the hive again.
Got condensation. Got a lot of condensation.
Not very many bees in the top.
Got ants.
Yep.
Spread the cinnamon. We got a few drinking, not very many. Oh yeah, box is going to come apart a lot easier this week. Last week we had quite a trouble getting the box apart. There we go.
That was real easy. Oh, look at them eating the pollen patty.
Good.
Oh, they're eating the pollen patty.
How many frames of bees do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like we got 8 frames of bees. So we gained 1 frame. Come on, girls. Coming in. Hive inspection day 12. Hopefully we're going to see some signs of a laying queen. Give myself some working room here.
Nothing drawn.
On that starter strip.
A little bit.
Oh yeah, we got some fresh drawed comb on this one.
Yeah, fresh drilled comb. Look at that. Nice.
Pollen, nectar. That fishing line's doing its job. See how it's holding the comb from falling? That's what we was looking for. So it looks like we've gained almost a full frame of comb in the last 6 days. Oh, get down. Not drawing out as good as I'd like to see.
Well, that was empty the other last time.
Yep. Bunch of bees clinging there.
The next one's really full.
Just building comb. A little bit of nectar. So we still got room in the box. I thought maybe the box would be full this week.
Well, that one, the next
Doesn't
one
look like it.
pretty full.
Now this is an original frame from the first nuke. Come on, girls.
Oh, looks a little heavy. Not a brood, a honey.
I'm looking.
A lot of honey there.
Looking for eggs.
To the other side. Look at that honey they built up.
Got honey, pollen, brood. Good frame of bees. It's only day 12. Still got some building to do. Like to see the queen, or some sign that the queen is in here laying. I think last week we got a little excited and we did the math and we decided it was a little too early for our queen to be laying. I think what we saw was actually eggs and larvae from the nuke we received. Draw and comb.
Mm-hmm. There she is, right there.
There's the queen.
There's the queen.
There's the queen. Do you got her? Good
Right
spot. There. Got a nice golden queen.
Right there. There she is.
Yeah, she's not real fat.
Right,
get your finger out of there. Let's see if she's laying.
Found the queen. Right here.
Okay.
Wait, let me get her. Yep.
Well, we found the queen.
Found the queen. Not as big as I thought.
No, she's not.
There she is.
She's going to run to the other side.
Yep.
Just like a good queen should. She's right here.
Yep, I know, I see her.
I want to see her stick her butt down in there. Nah, she's just going to run on us. It's okay, we'll leave her alone.
Well, we know she's there.
Found the queen. She's not as swelled up as I thought she would be. Hope she got a good mate. Oh, this one's heavy.
Nice.
This is all laid up and brood. This is an original. See, there's no X on the frame. This was one of our nukes, one of our 4 frames that came with our nuke.
Yeah, it's
and
falling.
See, yep, and this one does not have the fishing wire. And you see when I tilt that?
It leans.
Yep. So we got to be careful with this frame because it does not have any support.
Well, that's the one that had all the larvae.
That's the one that was laid up with larvae last time.
Oh, we can't find the larvae now.
Well, I don't think our queen's laying yet. Come on, girls.
But that's when we found all the larvae on. Why can't you see the larvae now?
Because that larva was laid up from the original colony, and this was an original frame of brood that came with the nuke as well. Now there is fresh larva right down here. Do you see it right here in the sunshine? Let me lay this down. Right here.
Okay.
See the white eggs?
Yeah.
That's fresh larvae. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So that's got to be fairly new, being as we're at day 12. I don't see any deformed wing. All the wings look good. The bees all look pretty uniform in color. Now there's a dark bee.
Yeah.
So we got some diversity in here. Some different genetics running around inside the hive. Our queen's way over there on that fresh comb. Okay, girls. You gonna get a little pissy with me, are you? Oh, here we got some fresh. This is our frame. See the X?
Yep.
This is our frame, and we have cap brood.
Yeah.
We have larvae. larvae.
I see it.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Oh no, the larvae is all laid up
yeah,
in through
it's
here.
all in there.
So the queen's laying. This has got a lot of larvae
Put it
in it.
over.
I just can't see them eggs. Lots of larvae. This is all laid up. We got cap brood at the top. So our queen is laying, for sure. For sure, for sure. Come on, girls, get out of the way. Hopefully we'll see some of the same here. We got nectar and pollen going across the top. I wish this old man could see better. Them eggs are really hard to spot, they tell me.
Over.
See how strong that comb is with the fishing line? Pollen, nectar. I don't see it,
any eggs
but
in that
I
larvae.
can't see that good,
I
so.
don't see any.
But that's okay. We've gained a frame of bees. We know this is a frame of honey. I'm not even going to
Pull it
bother
out.
it.
I want to see it.
You want to see it? Oh, heavy.
Heavy? Oh yeah, look at
Starting to cap the honey. The
Yeah,
white capping
yeah.
up here to the left, that's capped.
Mm-hmm.
Got some pollen in there. Don't see any
See what the other side looks
drone
like.
cells or nothing hanging. No swarm cells. No supersedure, anything of that nature. So we're still looking good. I was worried about the cold nights. We've had some cold nights.
Pollen.
So everything's looking okay. No crazy comb on the outside of the box. So that's a good thing. Oh, almost squished the bee.
Scoot it over. You're gonna put that in the middle. You gonna put this at the end now?
We're gonna put this back where it belongs. We're gonna move everything together. The last time I did this, I left gaps between my frames. And that's a good way to squash your queen, is what I've been told. So we're gonna try to avoid leaving those big gaps in the box going forward. Now I gotta center that up. Bees are very, very gentle. Only use just a little bit of smoke right at the beginning. Even up our bee space. Okay.
Good job.
Everything looks really, really good in here. I kind of cheated. This pollen patty's looking a little dry.
Yeah.
So I laid it in the sugar water. Give it a little moisture.
Didn't put on top of a bee, did you?
It ain't gonna hurt them.
Would it crawl out?
Yeah, they'll crawl. Now, the other thing we want to look at today, are we building any comb underneath of our feeders? No. Bottom of the feeder's clean, so nothing to worry about there.
What's that bee?
She'll move. I still got plenty of syrup in the box. I'm not going to add any more for now because it gets too heavy for me to handle.
Do you need to scoot the whole hive over some this way?
Which way?
This way, to the left.
No, it's not bad. We'll leave it like this. Since last week, I added some ventilation screen to my inner cover, and I'm leaving my notch up so we can get some ventilation, and hopefully that'll help reduce some of the evaporation of our sugar feed. So that's it for day 12, M&J habitat. Thanks for watching.